Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Wise using local transfer details step by step clearly. To withdraw from Wise using local transfer details, first, log into your Wise account. Navigate to the Balances tab. Select the currency you wish to withdraw. Click on the Send button. Choose Bank Account as your transfer option. Look for the option labeled Withdraw Funds. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. In the Transfer Details section, select Use Local Transfer Details. You will see the local bank details provided by Wise. Copy these local transfer details carefully. Open your local bank's online banking platform. Initiate a new transfer. Paste the Wise local transfer details into the relevant fields. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw again. Double-check all information for accuracy. Finalize the local transfer following your bank's instructions. Wait for confirmation that the transfer has been completed. Return to your Wise account to monitor the withdrawal status. Be aware that it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your Wise account. Once the funds are available, you can use them as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.